everyone, welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. On the show today, we're going to get our first look at the Housnat slow cooker. What I like about the slow cooker, it's not your standard, everyday slow cooker. This slow cooker is a multi-cooker. So you can saute, you can bake, you can roast, you can even make yogurt. So join me. Let's take a look at this multi-function slow cooker. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Housnat for sending this slow cooker. I've always loved slow cookers, but one of my biggest frustration with them is I need to get browning before I start slow cooking, because you end up with like flat tasting results. If you can saute in advance, you can develop that fond, you can develop browning and flavor, then you can slow cook until it's nice and tender. And that's what's great about this slow cooker. So if you want to take a look at this slow cooker, multi-function slow cooker, right? They'll be linked down in the description. You can take a look at it for yourself. One of the things I can say is this thing has amazing Amazon reviews. So go ahead and take a look at it. You will be surprised all the things this baby can do. So thank you, Housnat, for sending this. And we're going to get it out of the box to get our first look. And we're going to do a little freezer cooking with it in our next upload. So let's get this baby out of the box. Okay, so let's get this baby out of the box. I'm excited because I really like the fact that there's so many functions on this. It's not like my boring old slow cooker. Seems like because my slow cooker isn't all that versatile in that regards, I don't use it that much. Because you have to brown stuff on a stove and then throw it in there, and you lose out on the fond because of that. Yeah, and it's all about the fond, right? So here is the user manual, and it covers all your safeguards. It tells you all the functions that you have in this cooker. So it has slow cook, low, slow cook, high. It has sear saute. It has roast, bake, steam, stew, rice, multigrain, sous vide, yogurt low, yogurt high, and keep warm. It also comes with a little cookbook, and in here you have slow cooked pork, chicken curry, raviolis, French onion beef with mushroom stew, and croutons. I think we're going to have to try some of these out in this book, right? So here we have our lid, and it has a really nice, beautiful see-through glass lid. This is very important because when you're on slow cook, if you don't have a see-through lid, to see what's going on in the pot, you have to take this off. And then it takes a long time for the cooker to recover because the temperature is low. So any of these type of cookers, make sure you have a glass lid. And that's what this has. And it has a really comfortable handle too. Awesome. So it also comes with a steam rack. So these are great. If you want to steam, all you do is put this in the cooker, fill it up with a little water underneath there, put your stuff in there, turn it on, right? So the inner pot on this cooker is stainless. And if you know me, you know that I prefer this stainless over nonstick. One of the reasons is when you are sauteing, you get your food sort of sticks in there and it develops that fond. If you have nonstick, you can't develop that fond the way you can in a stainless. So I know a couple of you are like, how do I clean the stainless steel? My secret to this is Barkeeper's Friend. If you use Barkeeper's Friend, you clean this baby out. It takes all those rainbows that you get with stainless steel, all the, sometimes you'll get a little discoloring from things sticking to make that fond. All you have to do is soak it a little bit, put a little bar, keeper's friend, and literally it will look like this after you scrub it with that. And here is the main event, right? Make sure you take out this piece of cardboard inside because it covers up the heating element. So this is our heating element in there. And here's our cooker. Wow, this thing is nice looking, right? We're gonna put our stainless steel insert into there. Like I said, if you wanna do any steaming, your steamer will go right in there. And then we have our lid. So, like I said, here's your functions: sear, saute, roast, bake, steam, stew, rice, multigrain, slow cook, sous vide, and yogurt. Okay, so what I really like about this cooker is not only does it have the sear, saute function, it has the ability to change the temperature on there. So when you're on sear, saute, you can change the time up and down, but if you hit the temp, you can also move this temp up and down. So if you want to saute slow, sear fast, you can do that in this. It also actually has a delay start. So whatever functions you want, you can even change the temp and the time on these as well. This is awesome. Most of them just have these presets and doesn't give you the option of changing the temp. So this is amazing. So cooks, if you want to take your slow cooking to another level and you want to be able to do all those things that can develop the flavor in your dish, you really need a cooker that has those functions, and this is it. I'm looking forward to trying this out. So we're going to do a freezer meal in this. We're going to do my famous rigatoni. We're going to be making the sauce in this, and then we're going to be putting them in pans so we can put them in the freezer. I love doing freezer meals because it makes it easy. You've been at work all day, you throw it in the oven when you come home, and bam, right, you have a meal. Everything's ready for you. So stay tuned. This is the Housnat slow cooker. Thank you for sending this and giving this opportunity to try this baby out. Stay tuned for the next upload. We're going to be making a big batch of rigatoni for the freezer, and links will be down in the description if you want to take a look at it.